Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jansakar Behera. Today I will speak a few lines about Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. On this day in 1950, India became a republic. Our constitution came into force on this day. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chief architect of our constitution. On this day, we hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem. Republic Day shows the power of democracy. We promise to follow the rules of our constitution. I am proud to be an Indian. Let us become honest, kind and responsible citizens. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. वीडियो जदि भल लगी था लाइक शेयर कमेंट कर दियंतु एवं सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु।